Many students struggle with this question or fail this question when they're asked to solve it. It's a simultaneous equation. Now, in this video, I'm going to explain how to solve a simultaneous equation that is a fraction. I will also explain the steps you can take on which will be easier for you to be able to solve this question without stress. So get ready. By the end of this video, I promise you, you'll be able to confidently solve questions that has to do with simultaneous equation involving fraction. But remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel, like this video, and share. Now let's go right into the question. You have equation 1 and equation 2. Equation 1 is 9 divide a square plus 1 divide b square all equal to 1. And equation 2, 4 divide a square plus 4 divide b square is equal to 1. So what will be the first step you take in solving this question? If you decide to solve this question this way, you may have a problem. But the first thing I'll do is to represent the a square and the b square. It's actually 1 divide a square and 1 divide b square with a letter. So I'll say let 1 over a square be equal to a, capital letter A. And 1 over b square equal to capital letter B. That's the first step. If I do it that way, then my new equation 1 will become 9a plus b equal to 1. So let me label this new equation, equation 3. While my new equation will become from equation 2, 4a plus 4b equal to 1. And call this new equation equation 4. This becomes easier to solve. There are different methods used in solving simultaneous equation. But in this particular solution, I'm going to use the elimination method. So in using elimination method, I either eliminate A or eliminate B. But I notice that it's easier for me to eliminate B. So I'm going to multiply equation 3 by 4. I got this from here, from equation 4. So that if I multiply equation 3, the coefficient of B will be 4, the same as the coefficient of B here, making it easier for me to eliminate. So if I multiply equation 3 by 4, I'm going to have 4 times 9, 36a, plus 4 times b, 4b, 4 times 1, 4. You can decide to call this equation 5. So I'm going to solve equation 4 and 5 using elimination method. If I do that, I'll subtract. I'm going to have 1 minus 4, it's minus 3, and 4b minus 4b, it's 0. So I've eliminated that. Then 4a minus 36a will give you minus 32a. So at this point, I'm having minus 32a equal to minus 3. I'll divide both sides by the coefficient of a minus 32. And then I'm going to have a equal to 3 divided by 32. So the minus will cancel out. Now, to get the value for b, I'll substitute the value of a, which is 3 divided 32, into any of the equation. It could be equation 3, and equation 4, or equation 5. So I'm going to use equation 4. So if I do that, my a, it's 3 over 2. So I'm going to have 4 multiply 3 divide 32 plus 4b equal to 1. Now, when you divide this, here will be 8. And so I'm going to be left with 3 divide 8 plus 4b equal to 1. So if you collect like terms, 4b will be equals to 1 minus 3 over 8. So 3 over 8 move from your left-hand side to your right-hand side. If you simplify this, the LCM is 8. So this is 8 minus 3. This will give you 4b equal to 5 divide 8. Now for you to get a value of b is to divide both sides by the coefficient of b, which is 4. Or you can first of all cross multiply if it's going to be easier that way. 8 times 4b equals to 5. The 8 move to the side to multiply 4, and that's 32b equal to 5. So at this point, it's easier for you to divide by the coefficient 32. And then the value of b, it's 5 divide 32. But now recall that 1 over a square is equals to a, and 1 over b square is equals to b. So at this point, what do? You're going to substitute the values now. We've gotten the value of a. A was 3 divided 32. So 1 divide a square will be the value of the a we've gotten, which is 3 divide 32. If you solve this, you cross multiply, it's going to be 32 will multiply 1, and a square will multiply 3. If you divide both sides by 3, the value of a square will be 32 divide 3. The same thing if you solve for b square. 1 over b square, we've gotten the value of b as 5 divide 32. When you cross multiply, 32 will multiply 1, and 5 will multiply b square. If you divide both sides by 5, the coefficient of b square, you're going to have b square, this is cancelled out, equal to 32 divide 5. So what we're actually looking for is the value of a square, and that's 32 divide 3, and the value of b square, which is 32 divide 5. Now, having gotten the value of x square and b square, let's assume we want to have the equation of an ellipse, which is x squared divided a square plus y squared divided b square equals to 1. Now, how can we apply this, the result of the a square and the b square, in solving the equation of an ellipse? Now, we've gotten the value of a square, so it's going to be x square divide a square, which is 32 divided 3, plus y squared divide b square, which is 32 divided 5, all equal to 1. Now, this is the same thing as 3x squared divided 32 plus 5y squared divided 32 equals to 1. Now, if you're wondering how I got my result, let me express it here. This is x squared divide 32 over 3. It's the same thing as x squared divide 32 divide 3. And you convert the division to multiplication. When you do that, the numerator will become the denominator and the denominator will become the numerator, and that's 3 divided by 32. So when you multiply, you're going to get this. The same principle applies to this. I hope that's understood. So here, the LCM is 32. So I'm going to multiply through by the LCM. If you do that, you're going to have 3x squared plus 5y squared equals to 32. Now recall, I multiply this by 32, so the 32 will cancel this 32. If I multiply this by 32, the 32 will cancel this 32. And if I multiply this by 32, I will have this. So this becomes the equation of the ellipse if I was asked to solve this particular, I'm using this equation of an ellipse to derive this equation. So that's it. Thank you for watching. Remember to subscribe, share, and like the video. Drop your comment using the comment section. If there's a question or further explanation or any topic you want me to teach, please put it there.